So you may have heard and seen lots of content about AI agents and not really exactly sure where to start and how to leverage it. This JotForm could be one way to approach it. You can essentially hire a customer service agent for free, select the type of service you want, so phone, chatbot, WhatsApp agent, voice agent. Put your information up about your project in the train section, which I'll show you in a few moments, and prepare them for certain questions and give them access to certain tools. Like, for example, you could connect them to Slack. And you can even, call your AI agent. And to make it even more interesting, they have 7,000 AI agent templates. I mean, it's ridiculous. If we go in here, 7,000 AI agents, 7,000 plus AI agents for every single type of use case you can think of. I mean, tattoo studio, okay, maybe not for me. But yeah, you can see there's a lot of options here. I mean, absolutely insane. Where can I search for them? Categories, yeah. We have marketing ones here somewhere. There you go. So I'm going to spend the rest of the video setting a lot of these up and training my agents for my website, my business. All right, let's create our first agent. Let's go, man. What is happening? I will create a voice agent, I think. I want to create a voice agent? Yeah, I want to create a voice agent. Let's go. Clone yourself. Ooh, I'm going to clone myself. Upload an environment, coffee shop, street. Generate a background. Let's try generating a background. Upload your photo. Drag and drop or upload an avatar. Interesting. Okay, so I've uploaded my avatar. You can see there, prepared earlier with AI. It's overlaid it on the holodeck background that I created a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago. And now it's asking me to give my clone a name and describe myself. So let me have a think about that one. Quick sneaky trip. And because AI has made me incredibly lazy now, I'm asking ChatGPT, based on what it knows about me, to come up with that little description that I needed for JotForm. And of course, just to make it more ridiculous, look at what ChatGPT came up with about me. I mean, it's better than I could have written it. Side note, yes. Okay, so I've given my clone a name, which is my name, because it would confuse me if I tried to give myself another name. Anyway, um, and then I've copied the ChatGPT description of myself into here. Lots of meat for it to work with. Let's click next. Hi, it's me. Yeah, got it. Okay, and now I'm going to train myself. Oh my god, this is cool. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, I'm going to start with social profiles because it's nice and easy. Get my website there, enter that there. Cool. Get rid of that. Add new URL. I'm going to add my LinkedIn too. I'm assuming it will be able to access it. So let's see what happens. Pop that there. Home. Get rid of that. Thank you. I'm not going to click create yet because I want to upload all this other stuff. This looks fun. Okay, now I'm doing the questions and answers section. So your clone asks questions to align with you. All right, let's go. Here's something I prepared earlier in terms of principles and long-term objectives. Okay, I cheated. I used ChatGPT a little bit, maybe. Ask a new question, yes. What do you like? What do I like? Oh, I like lots of stuff. Let me tell you. Hokey cokey. Yes. What do I like? Of course, I know this. Let's pop that in there. I'm not going to create. Let's see what other questions it asks me. I would like to know. Well, go on then. How do you prefer to spend your free time? Ooh, tough one. So for personal files, I've just uploaded some LinkedIn carousels that I've written. So at least it's written by me. I don't really have any books or anything to train it with. So let's click create and see what happens next. Done 4 of 4. Woohoo. Bringing my AI to life, syncing your AI clone, integrating your unique traits, cool, customizing the appearance to match your style and needs, building intelligence into your AI clone to reflect who you are, training your AI clone to adapt to your responses. Your AI clone is almost ready, syncing perfectly with you. Go to Agent Builder. Okay, this is nuts. Good evening. I'm so grateful to be here with you and excited for our conversation. It's like opening a new book filled with possibilities. What's on your mind today? Interesting. Okay, I don't talk like that, do I? Okay, I've tested it out a little bit. I've asked a few questions. I want to see what happens next. I'm more interested if I can activate voice or phone with this. That would be quite an interesting use case. Let's go to Agent Builder, see what happens. Bum, bum, bum. Slow. You're not really on a 5G connection, are you? Okay. Oh, cool. Right, I'm going to see what this does. Back soon. Okay, so all the different options, chatbot, voice, phone, SMS, WhatsApp, etc., standalone, are all available here. Haven't quite figured out the voice thing yet completely. There's more settings here. You can use the existing avatars, the styling. I've added some basic details about my brand. I'll come back and modify and train these things later. There is the phone. Again, there seems to be options within here. How did I get here? Get a phone number. So again, I need to test this out. Voice. I guess this is probably the one part that's slightly disappointing. There's no obvious way for me to add my own voice. However, there is mascots. I don't think I'm going to use Demon Monster, but it does sound kind of funny.
AI agents are powerful tools that handle tasks like answering questions, helping with forms, and organizing
Thank
data.
you, Demon Monster. Oh my god. Stop. Anyway, we're not going to use that one, I don't think. Probably not. Suitable. And then come here, and there's all this stuff to do. Train to train it even further. Seriously, there is a lot to cover here. This is super, super cool, and I think I can get to like fully customized version of me. So this is the AI persona thing. So I told a lie about the voice. I think I can. Well, I'm going to make myself chatty. Can I make myself chatty? How do I make myself chatty? Oh yes, I've made myself chatty. It does look like I can add my own voice. So obviously I haven't prepared this one. Set clear rules for how your agent should respond in voice channels. Add new. What happens when I click that? Oh no, okay. Voice guidelines, but not an actual new voice. Nah, that sucks, man. I'll give feedback and say, hey, give me my own voice. Okay, knowledge base. Interesting, there's a character limit. So the superfluous sort of documents that I uploaded. So I did my website and my LinkedIn profile. I maybe didn't need to put up some of these documents that I uploaded, I think. Yeah. Oh no, it's only counted one. Interesting. Anyway, it looks like I can upgrade for more characters, for the knowledge base. Actions, I can do behavior-based conditions. User wants to user sentiment. Oh, okay. Lots of interesting options there. Tools, I can ask it to take notes, ask for information, allow your agent to gather information. Yeah. Let's have that one. Okay, lead gen. Find in a website, show a video, form, set an appointment. Oh my days, this is proper good. Get consent, sent to Dropbox, Slack, so there's lots of integrations there too. I'm going to leave it find in a website. Let me know when I should share the information from your website with customers. Wow. I'm not 100% sure about that. Clearly, I need to spend more time on this. Forms to collect further information and teach my agent just by talking to it, which is similar to previous platforms that replicated to you, Replica being one. Anyway, a lot to work with there. This is creating an AI agent version of myself. I think, can I say that? Does that sound right? I think it sounds right. I need to play with this a bit more. So here I'm adding more ability to, or tool so that it can search my website. I've given it a prompt if customers speak about services in any context and share more info from the website. And that's that. And that was, oops, no, don't discard. How do I save this? Oh, there it is. Please complete the required field. Services. Okay, so I've added more ability there. Oh, can I add another one? Okay, so I can add another website. That's interesting. Okay, so I've added another tool, another finding website. I'm saying search the site for growth hacks. But this time I've added the subreddit growth hacking on Reddit and search for growth hacks. I'm not entirely sure if it will work, but I'm going to give it a try because that will really give me another layer of superpowers to this chatbot. It says running. Interesting. Oh, if that works, that is going to be cool. So being able to add other repositories of knowledge to the training to my chatbot version of me. Very cool. So now I'm going to add another website. Add new. It's a very specific web page with 87 specific growth hacking strategies on a blog. And I'm going to give it instructions to search for SaaS growth hacking tactics. Actually, that will be my keyword prephrase also. I'm going to say search for SaaS growth hacking tactics and search in keyword. See what it gives me when I do that. Save. Awesome. Another area of training now, I'm setting up so that it can take notes or notify you when specific topics are mentioned in conversations. And the agent prompt, I'm saying if the customer says something about growing their service or product or SaaS, or if they need help with growth, chat will ask for an email, voice will ask for the phone number. I don't see why we can't have both. And I'm setting it up so it sends an email when someone wants to leave a note. I'm also wondering if I can embed this on other sites like LinkedIn, my LinkedIn profile, and so on. Why does it have to be only my website? Anyway, food for thought. So another tool that I'm going to add to my chatbot or clone is the, not send to Google Drive, where's it gone? Integrate with my Google Calendar, which is here somewhere. Yeah, set appointment with Google Calendar. So I've already set it up, kind of. Yeah, pretty much. Edit, giving it instructions. So if the customer sounds like they need more help to discuss, sounds like they're displaying buying signals, like talking about budget or costs, or if they're asking what sort of tactics can be applied to their business to help them grow, that's when you trigger it. Time, so your basic settings: 9:30 5 o'clock, 30 minutes. Your rules in here: time zone, start of the week, and so on. And I've integrated it with my Google Calendar already. You can see the connection is active. That might be a handy little feature. Okay. So I think it's going to take multiple iterations and continuous training of this bot. I've activated take a note, find a website, set appointments. There's lots of interesting other ones here too, though, like this one, send API request. In theory, I could send a post request to ChatGPT, add in my ChatGPT API keys, all that stuff. This could be potentially interesting, but I think it will take some experimentation to get it right. And then there's all these other ones: take photos, send documents to Google Drive. So I could get it to collect documents. Probably can get it to send me messages on Slack with notifications. Need to play with this one a bit more. Trigger specific workflows. Request a tool. I don't know what that is. But so you can see there's a lot of options here. And then there's the actions. Need to kind of manipulate these a bit more. User provides, for example, budget. I don't know, state their email, their full name. Interesting. Conversation starts. All these things can be configured. User asks about services. Please select one. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, I think we're ready to publish. So I'm now on the Publish tab here, and you can see there's numerous options for publishing. Standalone, chatbot, phone, voice, SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger. And add your agent to other platforms. So I'm going to try these all out. So I'm planning on using the voice agent and the platforms, which is basically embedding a chatbot to my WordPress site. And you can see it here in action. There he is, or there I am on my website as the chatbot. So I just replaced the HubSpot one. This is my website, etc. You can see it just about. There's various ways to add the voice agent. You can copy the link and just share that on social, whatever. You can page embed chatbots. There's WordPress integration. Didn't work that well. Anyway, I've used the chatbot route. There's various ways to add the voice agent. You can copy the link and just share that on social, whatever. You can page embed chatbots. There's WordPress integration. Didn't work that well. Anyway, I've used the chatbot route. So I'm on my website. I've embedded the voice bot. I'm just going to show you quickly that it's there. That's the chat. Yeah, and then I just move over to voice. Talk to me. Takes a few seconds.
What specific areas of growth marketing are you interested in exploring today?
I'm interested to know what growth hacking services you may have.
Here are the key services offered by Growth Hacker, a growth hacking agency based in London.
Yes? What are they then?
We offer various growth hacking services, including SEO optimization, content marketing, and social media strategies to help boost your brand's visibility and engagement. If you need more specific details,
Boys, that's not bad for my first voice bot.
Our growth hacking services are designed
Thanks,
to enhance
me.
your brand's visibility.
Thanks, Zohi AI. See ya.